Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today, it's a Caesar salad with a roast beef sandwich. Black cherry jam, roasted red peppers. Be patient. You're going to be stirring it up, and then you're going to grab a green apple peel. You throw it in there for pectin, and then you're going to stir it, mash it, and can it. The peppers, bag 'em and tag 'em. Pan sear, then stick it in the oven. I thought this show was about Caesar salad and a sandwich. Look at that baby, huh? Perfect, perfect. Even sounds right. Gorgeous. All right, this is our bread. Because my friend said, sandwich isn't a sandwich without the bread. So we're gonna cut, ish, not fat, because it's fresh. Now we're going to toast it. Here we go. Perfect toast. Look at that. Gotta love it. Who's on top? Who's on the...